Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can promote gig on Fiverr. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Fiverr, and then you need to open fiverr.com, and here you can see the option of growth and marketing. Then you need to click on promoted gigs, and here you can see that my all gigs are showing that I can promote. So then you need to simply click on that option, that is promote, and here you can select the budget for the promotion. So here let me select 0.67. okay, then you need to click on save, and now you can see that my this gig is promoted. So this is the process by which you can promote gig on Fiverr. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.